Hello and welcome to this series of the basic algorithm scripting challenges from FreeCodeCamp. Today we're doing mutations. With mutations they mean that you have to test this string onto this one. Does it have all of the letters? Lowercase and uppercase does not matter by the way, and here also. So does this word have H, E and Y as letters? If not, then it's not a mutation. And this letter, so alien and line, does alien have all the letters that line has? And yes, it does, but we have to prove it by building an algorithm. I'm gonna start off by cleaning our input by lowercasing it, so lowercase all input. Because I mean, you could also uppercase all of the input, but lowercasing it is, I guess it's more common. So I'm gonna do here const and then I'm gonna call the first one target word. Let's see. And it's gonna be the first argument of the array that we get here as input. It's an array, two lowercase. Okay, and then I'm gonna copy that actually and paste that, and this one is gonna be the test word. The word that we are testing on. It's gonna be the second argument of the array. And then we're gonna loop through the test word and check. Well, we're gonna first loop through the test word. So like this. Let I equal 0, I must be smaller than the test word dot length, and we're gonna increment this by 1 for every iteration. And then if at least one letter of the test word cannot be found in the target word, we know both words are not mutations. So if target word dot Indexoff, which is a method in JavaScript not only for arrays but also for strings, and you can look it up. If you search for JavaScript Indexoff, you're gonna get a series of results, and you're gonna see that there's an Indexoff for arrays and an Indexoff for strings. So if we look at the string method, it says here that this method will return -1 if the value to search for never occurs. So here they are checking, hey, does the word welcome appear in this string here? And yes, it does. If we do this, it's in position 13, so it's gonna give us the position where it first appears. It begins at position 13 because all of this, I mean, it's gonna count letter by letter. It's not gonna count by word because A string for JavaScript is made out of letters, not of words, because it cannot really recognize words. So Indexoff test word, and then the letter that we are iterating through right now, if it is equal to -1, then we know, and that goes for at least one letter. So we are iterating over every letter within test word, and if there is at least one letter that is not found within target word but is found within test word, we know they are not mutations, and we can say it's not a mutation. But otherwise, we know if it passes, if all of the letters from test word are found within target word, then we know that they are mutations. And if we run it, we pass it. If you have any questions, like could you explain Indexoff in more detail or something like that, you can always write a comment. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time.